This nomination was chosen as the winner because of a combination of factors: the professionalism, the pre-planning, the organisation, the acknowledgement of the importance of the supply chain, and the great way they communicated throughout the project. And overcoming some real challenges like that major roof lift, which clearly was something which took a lot of organisation in advance.
SG Design really identified at the beginning the customer's needs. They delivered upon the communication and the engagement with the consumer, but overall the professionalism of the delivery and the final aesthetics of everything that had been put into place was just exceptional.
This was an outstanding entry. The contractor showed real desire to get this project right under time pressure with daily updates. But in addition, there was obviously clearly real appreciation for the value that the supply chain could bring to the process.